Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Shirgaon, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The High Court on Wednesday briefly heard three different but tagged public interest litigations filed by NGO Goa Foundation in 2023 challenging Goa government's decision-making process to auction mining blocks. The petitioner contended before the High Court that if the decision-making process is quashed and set aside, then the letter of intent issued to the successful bidder for 3 mining blocks in Shirgaon village will fall consequently. The petitioner further contended that there must not be mining activities in close proximity of residential areas or a temple or a hospital, but Goa government has so far not submitted concerned mining plans for those 3 mining blocks of Shirgaon village. In reply, Goa government raised the question over the intention of the petitioner to file PILs after the auction process got over and even letter of intent was issued to the successful bidders. Advocate General Devidas Pangam stated that Goa state urgently requires to start full-fledged mining as it is the backbone of state's economy and thousands of people have lost job and livelihood due to closure of the mining in the state. After the hearing, the High Court directing Goa government to file mining plans and the detailed affidavits in all 3 PILs has adjourned the hearing for 15th January for final disposal. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.